Kids Storybooks. Subscribe.
Leo the Tiger. Once upon a time, in the heart of the lush and vibrant jungle, lived Leo the Tiger, a playful and curious young cub with the most dazzling orange fur and the brightest blue eyes. Leo was no ordinary tiger. He was known for his adventurous spirit and love for exploring. One sunny day, Leo decided to venture into the deep, mysterious forest. As he strolled along the winding path, he encountered various animal friends, chatty monkeys, colorful parrots, and even a wise old elephant named Ellie. Leo's heart filled with joy as he made new friends and listened to their stories. As Leo continued his journey, he stumbled upon a clearing where a group of mischievous monkeys had taken all the fruits from the trees. The other animals looked worried, but Leo wasn't about to let his friends go hungry. With a twinkle in his eye, he hatched a clever plan. Leo gathered his animal pals and together they devised a playful scheme to retrieve the fruits from the mischievous monkeys. With a mix of laughter and teamwork, they managed to outsmart the monkeys and return the stolen fruits to their rightful place. From that day on, Leo the Tiger became a hero in the jungle, celebrated for his bravery and cleverness. The jungle echoed with laughter and the joy of newfound friendships, all thanks to Leo and his adventurous spirit. And so, Leo continued to explore, making the jungle a brighter and happier place for everyone.